Lupa offers a platform with all the Web 2.0 tools, through which users can create their own space, upload their photos, videos, write articles, find groups with which they have things in common, etc. Lupa is aimed at assisting online newspapers in making it easier for their users to relate to one another. Readers become the producers of contents. In order to understand the functioning of our model, we will take a look at MyDiario, a community developed as a trial version where all integration functions can be seen. All the users registered in the community are given their own profile and control panel, from which it is very easy to manage their contents, write articles, upload photos, videos, etc. Besides, when a user of the community writes a comment on one of the newspaper's articles, its avatar will appear, containing all the information of the contents such as number of photos, videos and articles that they have within the community. Comments history. Each user has in their space a category that shows all the comments they have made on the different articles of the newspapers. This history allows users to visit their own space and track their opinion on different issues throughout the newspaper. This tool also increases traffic within the media, making users serve a variety of articles. These tools offer users the opportunity to increase their capacity as creators, and newspapers the possibility of increasing the traffic and the number of permanent users. The integration of the community into the homepage of the newspaper. Newspaper's homepage usually shows worldwide and local news. Lupa adds the opportunity for each logged-in user to see a web feed with all the articles written by their friends, the latest uploaded photos and videos, the newest users of the group, etc. And all this from the newspaper's homepage. The possibility for each user of having access to the different range of world news and, at the same time, the news of their own community represents a real and qualitative advance that encourages their interest and preference of each user. As we have already said, communities are the future of newspapers. The integration between users and the newspapers will be called News Intersection Community. This can create new models of business that produce high profits.